In this video,
we will learn how to sell car in GTA 5. In Grand Theft Auto, in order to sell any car, all you need to do is after coming into the game, you need to open up the map. From here, you need to click on any of the Los Santos custom that is close by to you. So just double click on it and a waypoint will appear and you can easily go there. Coming to the Los Santos custom, bring the vehicle that you want to sell and head into Los Santos custom. In order to sell any vehicle, firstly you need to repair it fully before it can be sold. After getting your car in and the repairing is done, you can just scroll down in the Los Santos custom tab until you find the sell option. And in order to sell any vehicle, you can just click enter in here and your vehicle will be sold for a hefty amount of price. Depends on the modification of the vehicle and the condition. So this is how you can easily sell your vehicle or cars in Grand Theft Auto 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.